Okay, welcome back. Box number 3 of our 5-box break. Next up, we have SP Authentic. So here's our serial 195157783. Come on. There it is. Let's hope for an SPX. No SPX in this one. So a lot of packs. Alright, folks. Here we go. I'm going to go through these quick. We'll be here all day with 50 more packs to open before you even get to superlative. Let's check my angle. Okay, we got an authentic moment for the Devils. And that's Aaron. Face. We get an MVP rookie of Carter Ashton for the Leafs and Hammond. Yeah, I'm not going to read off all the base just to save some time, guys.
Dave Bolin.
We got a Gretzky.
Toronto.
One of those retro cards. Going to Oil and Jack.
Nothing. Get yourself a good player there.
Dave Bolin just got traded to the Leafs.
Toronto for nothing.
Nice.
For 3 draft picks. Lowest one was 45th or something. The next draft pick.
Good trade.
Yeah, he's a good player.
There goes Hag. Hag's good too. Camera Moments. Line mates Lemieux Gretzky.
Random.
Gotta do random for that guy. Lemieux Gretzky, Team Canada. Save him for the end.
You got really tight quarters too.
Oh yeah. You get a Rhea Whitney. Stars. I'm gonna ship all those.
Something good coming?
Something. Oh. Calvin DeHaan. Hunt, or however you say it. For the Islanders. And Ruben.
Sign of the times. Those are nice looking cards.
Yeah, they're
Team Canada. Yeah, they are.
Keep an eye on chat, guys, because I can't see if anybody's saying to. Bergeron, and we get a Marchand retro for the Bruins.
Well, happy
and
anniversary.
Ruben.
No, that is great.
Rebork. Authentic Moments, Rene going to the Preds, and Chappie.
Can you find out?
Corey Perry. Upper Deck update for the Ducks. Hmm. There you go. Whoa, nice. Joe Thornton retro die cut auto.
Very happy with that.
Sweet. Nice hit for Linda.
Like wine cooler.
It's pretty awesome. Congrats, Linda.
Those are pretty rare, aren't they?
What? I haven't seen one yet. Patrick Kane retro for the Hawks.
You're good right with you.
Ruben. This one's super thick. Spacer though. Joe. Team Canada moments. Lemieux. Team Canada goes to the Pens, I guess.
He never played for anyone else.
MVP rookie, Berchi. Going to the Flames and Aaron.
Is it Berchi?
Yep. Authentic moments, Patrick Waugh.
I've seen that one quite a few times.
Going to Ruben. Retro, Jordan Stahl. Still a Kane. Yep.
He's a king now.
Yeah, going to Mike. Team Canada moments, Bobby Orr. What's the rule on these? It's the most games played for the team, so it's always Boston.
And Ruben.
Ruben. Get these out of the way. All right. Parise. Upper Deck update. For the Wild and Mike. Should be a bunch more autos in this. Huh. Come on. It's always the one pack that won't open, eh? Alright. Phil Kessel retro.
Boo. Try a couple more.
Nice. Mario Yager.
Look at that, bro.
The old mullet. Going to the Pens. And Dan. Iggy retro. Not retro update, I mean, for in a Pens uniform. Authentic Moments. Kopitar breakaway gives Kings early advantage. That's a Kings card. And Kings are Dave.
Only one auto so far?
Yeah,
You better have 2 in those 3 packs.
there's supposed to be at least 3. We had 4 or 5 last box. Maybe there'll be a
Big one.
quad Son of the Times or something awesome. Hashik Retro.
Sends.
Update checklist exclusives. Guess that has to be random too, huh?
Cool. 69.
69 of 100.
Oh, I know Deanna's would love to get that card.
And I don't know where all the autos are in this box, but hopefully they're all in this pack. This is the last one.
There better be 2 on a card there.
Let's see what we got. We got a Future Watch. Scott Glennie.
Did you miss one?
478 of 999 for Dallas and Jack. And it looks like they cheated us an auto, unless I forgot one. There was a Sign of the Times. Oh no, the Thornton, the Sign of the Times, Dahan, and
Oh, you're right.
that was 3. Okay. And I'm going to save these randoms to the end, and I'll just do all the randoms at once. So, next box. Serial number is 195157799. Can you bring my video back up so I can see what I'm doing? Alright. Box number 4. Let's hope we get a big hit. The thing about these SPAs is they're hit or miss, so if you get a big hit, it's real big.
How about you pull a big one?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. No SPX.
Come on, Zeke.
Alright, here we go. Box 4.
Let's see some ice for the Avalanche here come out.
How about a base card?
Ray Bork. Retro. I'll edit the picture here.
So that was 2 Borks in a row in that pack? One for Avalanche, one for Boston?
Oh, it's Haydu.
Oh, it was 80.
Alright, Authentic Moments. Gagne. 8-point night. I'm going to Jack. MVP rookie, Brandon Bolig. For the Hawks. And Ruben. Adam Henrique. Let's go into the Devils and Aaron. No autos yet.
I predict a very large one.
JVL. Upper Deck update. Nice to see a Leafs card of him finally.
He probably doesn't think the same thing.
Yeah, right. Who loves the Leafs? Oh, here we go.
Hammond has drawn.
For the Islanders.
2 Islanders.
Sign of the times. Casey Cizikas.
And the other one was Sahan, right?
Yep. Both sign of the times gone to the Islanders. Antiniemi retro.
This is horrible in the top clouds.
Joseph. And Authentic Moments. Eberle. Oilers card for Jack. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys about these mic issues. We doing a new angle here, and the mic is 6 inches from my face, so we turn it down pretty much as far as it goes so you can still hear me, and it's still too much for it. Oh, here comes an auto. Looks like something nice. Ryan, oh yeah! Nice!
Oh,
Beauty!
limited auto patch. Nice patch, too.
Awesome patch. Ryan Kessler, 43.
Who's got the Knox?
That is Ruben. That was a good call, picking the Knox. Nice card. Real nice.
Dan told him to take the Knox over and over.
Cody Hodgson retro for Buffalo. And Dave. Authentic Moments. Eberle. Lots of those Oilers authentic moments.
They have lots of moments, just not lots of wins.
MVP rookie of Cizikas for the Islanders and Ruben. Callahan. Authentic Moments. Nuge. One more for the Oil. It's like every single one's been for the Oil.
I've seen that in the box.
Well, we sure get a lot of inserts at least. And Johnny T retro. Ruben. Team Canada moments. Tavares and Eberle. Random card. That in the random stack.
Who's that?
Islanders and Oilers. And I'll do the randoms and I'll cut the video, then we'll do superlative. Sidney Crosby. Going to the Pens. Who's the Pens? Dan. Jordan Stahl. Upper Deck update. Ovechkin Upper Deck update. Wow. Weird split spacer. Yager going to the Stars and Jack. What's the case hit? Kessler?
Mm-hmm.
Jason Garrison update. Going to Ruben.
We have one auto again?
I believe it was just that Son of the Times. Authentic Moments, Landeskog. There's a hit for Todd finally. Mike Richards, retro for Dave. Two packs left. Gotta be something. What? Are you kidding me? Base pack? What the? Seriously. And the last pack has our Future Watch. Jason Zucker. He's actually a good rookie for the Wild. And Mike Hallett. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there were 3 autos. I forgot about the Kessler. Alright. So I'm going to do randoms for these couple cards. And then we'll crack into this superlative. Actually, I probably won't cut the video.
Okay.
No, it's only a couple cards, so it doesn't take an hour to go through them or anything. So here's the 3 cards we get a random. First one. PJ, can you note these down somewhere? We have Islanders will be 1 to 15, and 16 to 30 will be the Oilers. Yep. And it's a 16. So that is the Oilers.
And who was on that?
Tavares and Everly. So that goes to Jack. Next one is for the exclusives. Triple. 1 to 10, 11 to 20. 1 to 10 will be Crosby. 11 to 20 will be Stamkos. And 21 to 30 will be, who's that? Taves, right?
Yeah. Kane.
Kane?
Sorry.
All right. 26 goes to Chicago.
Can't see it.
Oh, sorry.
Chicago.
Chicago is Ruben. And we have the Lemieux Gretzky. So Lemieux is 1 to 15. Gretzky is 16 to 30. Yeah, Pittsburgh and Edmonton. 16. So it goes to Edmonton, Gretzky, and Jack. My camera angle. No, the tape's all. All right. Here we go. What we've been waiting for. You want to take these hits? All right.
This better be epic.
So here we go. Brand new. You can't even see it. It's so big. It's huge. Superlative box. There's no cereal, but it's sealed in plastic.
if one of one would be really nice.
Shaped like a book.
The exclusive checklist.
All right. Here is our case of cards. Plastic sealed, stamped in the game. You see that? Second, I need to adjust my camera. There we go. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully we get something really awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's your box number, Zach.
Oh, nice. That one is numbered 1133 of 1500.
Oh, it's gonna be good. The Moose and Patrick Wall.
Card number 1. We got a Ray Bork. Going to the Bruins. Numbered 1 of 30.
How did that not go to the Avs?
Card 2. Nice. Dave Keon. Awesome. I'm assuming that's a Leafs card.
Yeah. I don't think he played for any of those.
Numbered 1 of 30. Nice hit for Hammond as a Leafs fan. Next up. Oh boy.
That's a Diakopov.
PJ's gonna be jealous of this one.
No!
Galchenyuk.
Oh, Galchenyuk.
Galchenyuk. Going to the Montreal Canadiens. Superlative prospect. Auto. 4-color. Patch. Numbered 8 of 9.
Oh, man.
Awesome.
Nice hit, Ruben.
Nice hit, Ruben. Next up. Oh, just they keep on coming. Get it out of there. Adam Oates. Superlative patch. Numbered 1 of 19. And this is a Boston card. Says Boston right on the back.
I knew I should have went with Boston.
Boston is the team to go with for this product anyway. The old original 6.
You're welcome, Ruben.
All right, here's another nice hit. Pavel Bure.
Nice. He's in a Florida in that one.
Jersey Auto. Is that Florida? Let's see what it says on the back here. Yep, it says Florida Panthers right on it.
1 of 20.
Numbered 1 of 20. Nice hit for Florida. That was the last pick overall to Jack. So that's pretty sweet for your last pick.
I would say.
Next up, ooh, what do we have here? 2 cards left. Brodeur, first win. Superlative Famous Fabrics, 1992. Wonder if that's from his jersey from his first win.
8 of 9.
Numbered 8 of 9. Nice. That's going to the Devils and Aaron. She should very much enjoy that one.
Cool.
Sweet card. And last, we had a quad. Oh, boy.
See Lanny.
Quad patch.
Wow.
Lanny, Vernon.
Lanny, Vernon, McInnes, Flurry, quad frames. Awesome.
West Flames.
And that's Aaron.
Oh.
Numbered 3 of 4.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Aaron, I so want to talk to you about that card.
That's a sweet card. Focus.
It was.
Anyway. There we go.
Nice.
And that's that. Those superlative are awesome. Man, there's cool stuff.
That is a sweet card, Aaron.
All right, folks. That is the break. Thank you very much for your support. And we will be back on Wednesday when we return to 2005 6 SP Authentic in the hunt for Crosby, Ovechkin, and many other rookies in the double rookie class. So look forward to those auctions on Wednesday, and there's some tonight as well, and some bins tonight. So see you there. Thank you.